Do you have cracked heels? If you want to know what to avoid, what causes cracked heels, and how to treat dry feet, this video is for men, women, children, and everyone. It's not just for women. Women worry a lot about cracks. They think it's ugly, but men also have to worry because it's not just a question of aesthetics. It's also a question of health, especially diabetics who can't have cracked feet. The question is, do you have cracks, calluses, infections? What's wrong with your feet? Are your feet peeling? This happens mainly to people who walk barefoot a lot, dancers, capoeiristas, women who wear high heels or flats. But the best thing is that cracks can be prevented and treated.
Hey you guys, are you enjoying our content? Why I'm asking this? Because according to our channel analysis, 97% of the people who watch us are not subscribed to the channel. Do you believe this? So I sincerely ask, if you have liked our content, subscribe to our channel. Let's make this content reach everyone around the world, and let's make this a healthier world, okay? So subscribe our channel and God bless you.
Cracked heels happen when the skin on the foot is too dry and the person's weight is too high, which means you've already learned that obesity leads to cracked feet. But there's a skinny person who also has a cracked heels. Sometimes the impact they're making on their foot in that area is also cracking it. That skin on the foot thickens in the same way that the knee thickens, in the same way that the elbow thickens, so it's to protect our body.
So everyday pressures such as running to get on a bus, people who climb a lot of stairs, all lead to cracks. Women who wear very high heels, as well as those who wear flats. So the best way to avoid cracking is to alternate your heels, take care of your feet, moisturize them and reduce your weight. You have to moisturize your feet at least once a day.
There's another case of cracked heels that people don't often talk about, but that's excessive hot bathing. Excessive hot bathing, if you're a fan of hot baths, can lead to cracked feet. Another thing that leads to dry feet is not drinking enough water every day. So people think they're only going to moisturize their skin just with cream, but they have to moisturize it by drinking water too. So women who wear very high heels, usually very high heels, have calluses and cracks on the front of their feet. Women who wear flats a lot have calluses and a thicker foot in the heel. Have you ever noticed this? The ideal thing to do is to vary. Wear a higher heel one day, a lower heel the next, a medium sandal. It's very important to stretch your feet, moisturize them. All of this is very important. You're now going to see a photo of a basically dry foot. Take a look.
In this case, you have to moisturize your feet every day. You have to use urea-based creams. The best time to moisturize your feet is usually after showering, when the skin is more accessible to be manipulated and is open to receive the moisturizing layer. Now focus on image number 2.
In this picture, the foot is already starting to become more painful, with a risk of foot infection, and this infection rising to a condition called erysipelas or lymphangitis, which people call red. In this state, you need to use keratolytic substances, i.e. those that break down the keratin layer of the foot. They destroy the horny layer of the foot and renew it, but there's no point in doing all this and continuing with the same bad habits of walking barefoot, wearing very high heels or flats, and also staying obese. You can also moisturize at night before going to bed and wrap your feet with a plastic sheet, the kind that wraps food so that the moisturizer can stay on all night in these more serious cases. It is very important to use all these substances under the guidance of a dermatologist. Sandpaper and pumice stone are controversial, but we recommend that you use them, but carefully, don't overdo it. Otherwise, you could leave your skin very fragile. We're now going to give you a homemade ritual to take care of your feet. It's a 4-step ritual. The first step is to make a moisturizing scalpel. This scalpel softens the skin on your feet, opens the pores, and allows the moisturizer to penetrate the feet. To make this scalpel, place the following in the basin. Pour a little warm water into the basin to reach about 8 to 10 centimeters, a height that allows you to immerse your entire foot in the water. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of moisturizer, mix the cream well in the water, and soak your feet for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the skin on your feet to soften and receive the moisturizer. Ideally, you shouldn't scald your feet with very hot water so as not to injure them. And you shouldn't do it without moisturizing cream so as not to dry out the skin. Second step, dry your feet properly. Once you finish scalding your feet, it's very important to dry the skin, especially between the toes, to prevent fungus from building up, i.e. mycosis. You should avoid rubbing your feet with a towel. Some people do, don't they? It irritates them and contributes even more to flaking and infection. Ideally, you should make light circular movements with the towel on your feet, preferably on your feet, so you don't wipe your feet and then get it in your eyes, ears, and mouth. Then leave your feet in the open air for 2 minutes so that they dry completely. Step 3. Remove the excess skin with sandpaper or a pumice stone carefully without overdoing it. Only use sandpaper if there are cracks. Step 4. Moisturize the skin of the foot. When the foot is completely dry, apply a moisturizing cream. The thicker the cream, the better it will moisturize. Of course, the choice will depend on the individual and the dermatologist. If you have any problems with cracked feet, or if you use any technique, or if you like this video, start by liking this video, as it's very important for us to know that you like it. Share this video with everyone you know, all the women who live in salons touching their feet. And I want you to comment now, what are your doubts? What do you do to improve your cracks if you have cracks, if you have a husband with dry feet? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. A big hug, live healthy, live with passion and without cracks in your heels.
Hugs, everyone.